Hi, today we will cover a demo where we create a new mobile page from scratch which call a concurrent program. So a use case for this is let's say we want to provide an ability for operation user to print a packing slip for a delivery. So the steps will be as follows. First, we need to create the mobile page. So we need to create a fnd function at first, and then we attach that fnd function to the menu. Next, we will personalize the function using Express Server. In here, we will add a new LOV field for the delivery, and just for demo purpose, we will also add another new field, which is a read-only field, to show the delivery status. Next, we will use a PL/SQL script and attach it to the button to call a concurrent program. And finally, we'll use JavaScript to display the request ID or any error message. So let's get started. So here, let me show the concurrent program that we will call. So it's a XML publisher report with two parameters, a warehouse and a delivery. Okay. So that's pretty simple. Now let's start by creating a fnd function for the mobile page. So let's say we call it xx custom pack slip. Okay, mobile. Here, if you like to the mobile function to use inventory organization, then you want to put a use org equal to y. And here you will use a specific Java class that we already provide as a template, so you can get your page up and running. So this is just a simple page template. Okay, now we have done that, we're going to add it to the menu. Let's say we put 15. Save it. Now we're ready to take a look at the mobile function. So we go to Express Server Demo. This is the print packing slip that we just added. So initially it will look like this. Next we will need to create a new delivery field, and then we'll add another one for the delivery status. So let's do that. So I will take this and we can keep it at the side for now, and we can change this to call print packing slip. Create a new field, delivery, which is an LOV. We'll put it before text field 1, and then we'll create another one, delivery status. And let's save it, and let's take a look. Okay, so this is our LOV and this is our delivery status. We'll hide this field. So we'll make this more user friendly. We'll make this required, And since it's LOV, we need to provide a LOV statement. So I have it ready here. It's very simple. So select delivery ID from the delivery table for the organization ID and the delivery ID parameter. So to access the field itself, you need to pass the page name, which you can get from Control X, and then the field name. Next, you put the type, which is N for number for the org ID, and then for this we'll use a string with a % added. Column displays is true, and the prompt is delivery. Okay. And one thing that we'll use is we'll put the disable blind LOV query. We can set it to true, so user will not just press Control L blindly without putting any parameter, which sometimes can cause a stuck session issue. Text field, we will hide this. Delivery status, and we'll make this read only. Okay, now let's see what we have. Okay, so delivery status is this. If I just do this, it will say blind LOV query disable. So I need to come up with one delivery. So can use this. Okay, so this seems to work. Next, I need to put a subsequent value property to default the value of the status. So let's do that right here. We can put this, and we'll use SQL alias to target the field that we want to default. And then here delivery is matching this delivery. This is how we can get the actual value from the screen and use it in the SQL. So let's try again. 37773. Okay, so delivery status is open. Now when we press process, we want to call the concurrent program. So we'll put a script here. And I have the script ready, and I will explain how this works. So right here you can mix, you can have a PL SQL script, and this will be just your regular PL SQL script. You can define some variables. Right here we're going to put some validation to make sure that all the lines for the delivery are completed. Okay, and if there is unpicked line, then we would return a validate flag of error and an error message saying delivery is incomplete. You can pass a @ sign to return value from PL SQL script to Java, and to get value from Java to the PL SQL, you use the $sign. Okay, so if everything is good, then you would add the you will call the concurrent request. This is the code to call the concurrent request, and then finally you commit, and then you pass the request ID back to Java. Then in this part right here, we are back to the Java because all the user interface interaction needs to be done in Java. So here we would use this code to get the validate flag that was set here, and we will use that to check the status of the validation. So if it is E, that means it failed, and then we just get the error message from the session and put it in the status bar. If it passed, then we will get the request ID and set it to the status bar as well, and then we'll make the cursor stay on the button by using this. Okay, so let's give it a try. Save it. Okay, so now we're ready to test it. So I'm going back here. I'm going to give it a delivery that is incomplete. So it says delivery is incomplete because our script has found that there are some delivery lines that hasn't been picked yet. So we can check that. So we see there is this line that is still released to warehouse. So we'll try another delivery. So this delivery is complete. We can check it here. Oh, I think I missed 3 sounds. Okay, so all of the lines are completed. So we should be able to. Okay, so we got a message saying it has been submitted and this is the request ID. So we can open this. Okay, it is running. So we completed. Let's check the result. So this is our simple custom packing slip. Thank you for your time.